Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome in case you are a new friend. Today's video is really fun for me because I haven't done a tag video till now, and I have been tagged a while ago by my friend Leah MacDonald. So the subject of this video is called the beauty addiction tag, and this tag was originally created by Tracy Lea Beauty. I will link both Leah MacDonald and Tracy Lea Beauty channels down below in case you want to check their videos, and I will hit the road now with my first tag. There are 15 questions in total. The first question it is: how long have you been addicted to makeup? I can say that almost 30 years addicted to makeup. I remember when I was 11, 12, I started to realize that women are wearing something colorful on their eyes. Of course, on that time there were existing, at least on the country when I've been growing, only some PT eyeliners. And I remember when some of my aunties were visiting me and they were wearing makeup, I was asking them to show me what is the product they are using to color their eyes. And I was so fascinated. I wanted so much to have one of these. Probably a few years ago I got the chance to buy them. The second question: what is the makeup item you are most addicted to buy? Well, this is definitely makeup brushes. I've publicly admitted that I have a brush obsession. I have plenty of brushes. I have no place where to store them, and funny thing is that today I even filmed a video about my favorite makeup brushes. But yeah, brushes are my biggest addiction. Of course, after brushes probably there are eyeshadows and lipsticks, but other than that, the biggest addiction are brushes. The third question: how many of your favorite items do you have? I didn't count them, but I would say probably between 20 or 30. Question number 4. Do you buy makeup just to buy it? No, I never do that. If I will have money to not have what to do with them, maybe that will be an explanation, but so far I buy only makeup that I want to try, or makeup that was on my wish list and I finally either find it on store, or it was on sale, or I have some available money to afford to invest on that particular product. But no, I don't buy products just to buy them. 5. Do you look at an item and have the need compulsion that you need just one more to complete your collection? No, this is also a no answer. I don't have a complete collection, and probably I will never will. I know people, they have collection of, for example, Urban Decay Naked palettes or some lipsticks collections. But yeah, I don't have a compulsion to collect items to complete my collection. 6. Do you have more than 10 mascara? How many are open? I count them in this morning. I have 19 mascara and I have opened 8. Well, 2 of them are already dried out and they need to go. But yeah, I have more than 10 mascara. Question number 7. Do you ever throw any makeup away? Yes, of course. I throw makeup away when it is going bad, or if it's past expiration date, but the smell or the texture are looking in a way that it will tell you they are not good for your skin. So yeah, what is your oldest makeup item? I was thinking on this question before, and I don't think I have so many old makeup items because I was constantly decluttering my collection. Probably my oldest makeup item, it is a lip pencil from L'Oreal, and that one I probably have it from or 10 years. I don't know exactly why I'm not trying it out, because I'm not using it, but yeah, there's that. I think that one is my oldest item on my collection. Other than that, probably I don't have anything older than 4 or 5 years. How often do you shop for makeup? Well, I can say that this is between weekly or bi-monthly. There are weeks when I buy 2-3 times per week. Depends on the offer, depends on the needs, or yeah, if I find some products that are on offer, some products that I was waiting for them and they are on offer, or I get some gift card or a discount code, then I might shop several times a week. But I can say that usually I buy weekly or bi-monthly. Do you buy any product just for the packaging? Well, to be honest, I currently done that. Not too often, but there are certain occasions when I might have done that, so yeah. Question number 11. When a new item is released that you want, do you set an alarm? I never did that. No, the answer is no. Do you have the Ulta and Sephora apps on your phone? First, I live in Czech Republic and here we don't have Ulta, we have only Sephora and another store which is kind of equivalent with Ulta, is it called Baculus, but I don't have either of those applications on my phone. I'm following them on Instagram, I'm subscribed to their newsletters, and that's all. I don't have. I even don't know if they have an app on my Play Store. I need to check that. Now, question number 13. Do you have so much makeup that you forget what you have, that you purchased items again? I don't have that many products in my collection that I forget what I have. If I would be asked to tell how many makeup items I have in my collection, I will probably not be able to do that, but I remember that I have this or that. Does your makeup make you happy? Oh yeah, of course. Every time I have some spare time for me, I come up on my room, I sit on my vanity desk and I just play with makeup, just for the sensation and the overall feeling that applying makeup makes me feel. So yeah, I feel better just for sitting down and having time to apply my makeup in peace. That means without being rushed that I need to go to work or I need to go to a party and I'm running out of time. So just to have enough time to complete my steps, all the steps that I want to do in my makeup routine. Okay, so yeah, I'm tagging everyone that is watching this video and they would like to answer to those cool and funny questions. Okay, so I don't know how I did. I hope I've answered quite reasonable to all the questions. Please let me know in your comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you subscribe before you leave, I would like to thank you in advance for doing so. I will also share with you my social in case you want to follow me there, and other than that, have a great blessed day ahead. See you soon. Bye bye!